Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Udemy, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.udemy.com and press enter. Wait for the Udemy homepage to load completely. On the top right corner of the homepage, look for the login button. Click on the login button to navigate to the login page. Here, you will see fields to enter your credentials. If you have an existing account, input your registered email address. Next, enter your password in the corresponding field. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. After entering your email and password, double-check them for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Login button to access your account. After a moment, you will be redirected to your Udemy dashboard. Once on the dashboard, you can start exploring courses. If you encounter any issues, ensure your internet connection is stable. You can also try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Alternatively, consider using the Udemy mobile app for easier access. Now, you are ready to begin your learning journey on Udemy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.